Most love Amazon finds for March. This awesome garburator cleaner that turns into a satisfying foam to clean, deodorize, and knocks out the odor-causing buildup from the disposer and drain pipes. This phone holder that rotates to let you binge watch your favorite shows or movies while in the shower, and pulls out to adjust the viewing angle. These disposable hair catchers for flat shower drains are awesome for girl dads like me, and you won't need to call a plumber. These magical sponges for removing dirt and scuff marks from your sneakers comes in a pack of 10 and perfect to brighten up those soles. My nifty stone bath mat making waves again that quickly soaks up water, dries in about a minute, and so much better than regular mats. These are my fave rug grippers and love that they easily attach to your runners to keep them in place on your tile or wood floors. A neat hack to fix loose outlets with these tiny plugs to help keep your power adapters nice and snug. This awesome steam cleaner that pumps out 1,000 watts of steam power to clean various surfaces, knocks out 99% of germs, and only uses water. These amazing tablets to clean the inside of your tumblers with no effort, and you rinse it off after 30 minutes. My favorite sponge that picks up dust from baseboards, nightstands, and even headboards that's always ready to go again when you run it underwater. Most love Amazon finds from April. This gadget is the fastest way to unclog shower drains or sinks to automatically remove gunk and hair so the water flows freely again and don't have to call a plumber. I use this magical stuff every week that you stick into the garburator, and it makes a satisfying foam that cleans and knocks out the odor-causing buildup from the disposer and drain pipes. These are the #1 best-selling baits that I've been using for years that ants eat and share with their colony, knocking them out at the source. If you have a Stanley goblet, this 3-layered ice mold is perfect so the ice doesn't melt too fast and drinks stay cold for longer. Easily clean the inside of your tumblers with no effort with these fast dissolving tablets, and you just rinse it off after 30 minutes. This is one of the best cleaning gadgets that pumps out 1,000 gigawatts of steam power to clean various surfaces, knocks out 99% of germs, and only uses water. These sponges are great for removing scuff marks and dirt from your sneakers so you can brighten up those soles. I just ordered more of these rug grippers and love that they easily attach to your runners to keep them in place on your tile or wood floors. This is my go-to self-drying mat that quickly soaks up liquids, and you can use it when washing dishes, for the coffee station, and can work under your pet's water bowl. Amazon Home Hacks. This spice organizer has a drawer with 2 tabs so you can easily mount it onto an existing shelf, gives you access to the spices you use most often, folds up so it's tucked away, and you can remove it, making it perfect for renters. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This organizer attaches to your fridge shelf with no tools or adhesive to neatly store 18 huevos, saving valuable space, and glides in and out with no effort so you can easily pull out to access the eggs whenever you need them. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This is the highest rated versatile fan that's foldable, has a remote, can extend 3 feet high, oscillates, lights up, you can even charge your phone, and super portable so you Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This is a touchscreen toaster that lets you toast sliced bread, bagels, pastries, grain breads, nooks and crannies, waffles. Has 6 different shades, the slots are extra thick, and it feels really good to live in the future.
Okay, Natalie, say it with me. We don't need it. We don't need it.
I want to get it.
Amazon Home Finds is just slap. Roborock has taken the #1 spot for robotic vacuum sales worldwide, and this is the all-new Flexi Pro so you can automatically tackle any wet and dry mess in one stroke. It has flat reach design letting you go under low-profile furniture, and you can easily maneuver it with a single finger option. The smart sensor dynamically adjusts its cleaning power based on the level of mess on the floor, and the unique multi-roller design gives you edge-to-edge cleaning so there's no dirt left in corners or edges. The Flexi Pro is equipped to self-clean and self-dry the rollers directly at its base using hot water and hot air, ensuring a hygienic and odor-free experience. And with the included Roborock app, you can customize roller speed, suction control, and even schedule self-cleaning and drying. If you're in the market for the ultimate wet and dry vac that delivers exceptional cleaning performance, then you can get the Roborock Flexi Pro for 18% off on Amazon through May 12th. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This robot vac of the future has ultrasonic AI sensors to seamlessly clean your pool without any hoses or cords. Just turn it on, drop it in, then it maps out your entire pool and automatically starts cleaning the pool floor and walls to ensure a clean water line so you don't have to spend hours scrubbing. It only takes 2.5 hours to charge, has 2 sets of scrubbing brushes, can run for over 3.5 hours to pick up dirt and debris swimmingly. With the included app, you can check runtime, cleaning records, modes, and charging status. When it's done cleaning, it'll self-park at the water line, making it easy to retrieve it without getting wet, and you just clean the basket and set it back on its charging base for next time. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This is the highest rated electric arc lighter that can be used hundreds of times on a single charge and lets you quickly light candles, stoves, BBQs, or aroma sticks. It's also windproof, doesn't use any gas or fuel, has a child safety lock, and the tip automatically retracts, making it easy to store or travel with. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. This portable chair can be used on the sofa, office chair, has a remote so you can get a neck, back, waist, and thighs shiatsu massage. Also has vibration, heat. The neck rollers are adjustable for different heights. Plus has a spot massage function to focus on one area for relaxation. Amazon Home Finds is just slap. These are highly rated cable clips with a magnetic clamp that easily stick to the side of your nightstand. Comes in a pack of 6, leaves no residue, so you can always keep your charging cable within reach.
Drop it to the floor, drop it to the floor then. Now lean
Amazon Home Finds that just slapped. This is one of the highest rated rotating stands that swivels 720 degrees to support iPads or laptops up to 16 inches, is fully adjustable in different angles, can be used while standing, and folds away, making it easy for travel. Random Amazon Finds that just slapped. This is one of the strongest portable fans that attaches to your belt and clips onto your shirt, or you can wear it like a necklace that has 3 speeds and can last up to 10 hours so you can stay totally cool when working outside or chillaxing outdoors. Amazon Home Finds that just slapped. These solar-powered lights come in a pack of 16 that easily mount to edges like fences, steps, or railing, either with screws or the included adhesive tape, and is a simple DIY to elevate the look of your home. Amazon Home Finds that just slapped. This is the highest rated aesthetic hamper with 2 compartments to make it easy for sorting your laundry, and they pop out with handles at the top and another on the bottom to make it even easier to toss clothes in the washer, and you just drop them back in. No more dead zones, no more buffering, just smooth streaming, fast downloads, and gaming without the annoying lag. This is their first Wi-Fi 7 mesh system and the fastest Eero available, supporting tri-bands, delivering insane wireless speeds up to 4.3 gigabits per second and wired speeds up to 9.4 gigabits per second. The Eero Max 7 is ideal for smart home connectivity, supporting over 200 connected devices. But what sets it apart from other systems is how easy it is to set up. Just follow the prompts in the Eero app and you'll be up and running in just minutes. No tech expertise required. The app is also intuitive and user-friendly. You can easily check network speeds, set up profiles, schedule pauses on specific devices, and create a guest network quickly. Additionally, with Eero Plus, you can enable ad blocking features and monitor security, activate VPN to keep devices private and secure, and even keep your internet online during a wired outage with Eero's internet backup. After trying out the Eero Max for a few months now, I'm blown away with its blazing speeds. It's crazy fast. This mesh system has single-handedly solved all of our Wi-Fi headaches, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their home Wi-Fi. Random Amazon Finds that just slapped. This multifunctional adapter has a foldable plug and a built-in retractable cable so you can easily charge your iWatch and iPhone at the same time while at home or when you're traveling. Amazon Home Finds I'd buy again. This is my portable cup holder with weights that's great to hold cups or mugs on the sofa arm when you don't have a coffee table. This roll of tape increases traction and grip on your stairs to help reduce the risk of slips and falls, and they become virtually invisible. This is the 5th outlet cover with the built-in nightlight that I've purchased and love that it installs in seconds without any wires and automatically turns on when the sun goes down. Tech finds that just slap. This gadget is an AI voice recorder with ChatGPT built in to let you record important calls on your phone up to 30 continuous hours on a single charge, and has 64 gigabytes capacity so you can store up to 480 hours of recording. It automagnetically slaps on the back of your iPhone or Android. You just tap this button to start recording. The ChatGPT empowered app will transcribe the call, create a smart summary with key insights, and you can even download the audio file.
I'm addicted to this, not in a literal medical sense, but I don't think I could live without it. It's very convenient.
Kitchen finds worth buying. This vacuum pump automatically creates an airtight seal, keeping produce and leftovers fresh up to 5 times longer. It helps cut down on food waste and keeps more cash in your pocket. The resealable bags are great for meats to avoid freezer burn and keeping your fave snacks tasty while you're on the go. And it also comes with an app so you can keep track of how many days are left until the food should be eaten.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Amazon home favorites. This is my alarm clock of the future with a large LSD display, 3 brightness levels, a USB port so I can charge my phone, but the coolest part is I can project the time to any wall or ceiling so I don't have to squint or struggle. Random Amazon finds I recently bought. This is a digital timer with preset times that start right away as you turn it. That's great when cooking or when your man goes number 2, and you can magnetically attach it to the fridge or air fryer. This is a digital thermometer so you can take the temp of your meats to know when they're ready. This is a 3-layered ice mold for your Stanley cup so the ice doesn't melt too fast and drinks stay cold for longer. This is a rotating kitchen utensil set and each piece has a built-in lip so the head doesn't touch the counter. This is the best lemon squeezer that I've tried out to get every last bit of juice without any seeds. Amazon summer hacks. This is the best-selling foldable chair with a built-in lip that lets you comfortably sit at the edge of the pool, at the park or beach, and even on a cooler, and is easy to fold and carry with you on the go.
Wherever you go, wherever you stay.